Assalamu alaikum. My name is Zahra Fatima, and today I'm here to share my journey with the Top Grade. Top Grade is one of the best platform of Pakistan that offers the programs for the preparation of different entry tests of Pakistan. So basically, when we're done with FSC, there are a lot of resources and in our WhatsApp groups, and there are a lot of books, and we become already confused that from which we will prepare. So TopGrade is a platform that compile all the resources in it. All the resources in it, and you did not need to go anywhere because you have all the things in one place and at your comfort zone, your home. And their MCQs bank is so extensive that they contain 30,000 plus MCQs. And after each MCQs, there is a view detail where the explanation of MCQs is given, and your concepts become crystal clear. So the second most important, their video lectures are very amazing. Believe me, when you watch their video lectures, there will be a mind map of each topic, and each topic will be clear, which is not clear in our FSC. uh, the third is fast revision notes. As you know that you have to revise all the topics after the study, so revision is very important. So you can revise by using their fast revision notes feature, and it is very reliable and it is very well designed. You can prepare the things on fingertips by using the fast revision notes. And the good thing about TopGrade is that it has 24 hour service, and they have also WhatsApp groups from where you can ask the questions to the teacher, and you can study it anytime at any place. Now come to the fee structures. The fee structures of TopGrade are very reliable, very affordable, and you can also get the discount on the special days. The staff is very much cooperative. There is no any scam or fraud. It is totally authentic, and it is totally it is I will say that it is the road of success. If you want to top, then you can use the Top Grade, and believe me, you all will love it. Go for the free trial, and click for the subscription. I hope that you all will love it, and best of luck. Thank you so much.